A developing story off the top at 5 tonight. A construction accident on Miami Beach has turned deadly. Sky 10 was above the scene earlier today when a worker fell 5 stories. Let's get right to Local 10 News reporter Derek Shore.
He's live on Miami Beach with an update. Derek.
And we are being told that that victim has been identified as 50-year-old Alvaro Najarro. He was a worker here at this construction project here off of Collins and Lincoln. And you can see this condo building is under construction. We're told some sort of scaffolding gave way and that man fell to his death. We're hearing somewhere between 5 and 3 stories. Take a look at what it looked like from Sky 10. This happened this morning, but only late this afternoon did we learn that that construction worker, Najarro, did succumb to his injuries. Miami Beach police say OSHA has taken the lead on this investigation, and we spoke to another person. I want to show you some video from Twitter who had some concerns about how construction workers at this site were operating and behaving just as early as yesterday. Some of that video showing the workers jumping from side to side on different pieces of platform, and that person was concerned enough to shoot some video of how those construction workers were operating. As we come back out here live, we have put in a call to Coast Construction. They are the company that is involved here. They said they will be releasing a statement at some point this evening. But again, a 50-year-old construction worker falling to his death here in Miami Beach. We are live in Miami Beach. Derek Shore, Local 10 News.